cat out there in the Buckeye, because I love to plug me some ears in the Buckeye, but he ain't gone. Make it rough state. And make it rough state to what is going. All day and all night. I'ma run this damn radio station all damn night, too. 2150 with that hammer down from coast to coast in Cali.
Hey, Redman. Hey, Redman, let me ease up in there and say hello to you, too. My friend, hello to Milton Mall. This is a pretty thing.
My longtime friend is Buckeyes call me, man, but it's rough and tough out there.
Yeah, so are you making a trip out of Kentucky? From Northern Alabama here says I got you wall to wall and treetop tall. Hang on, I gotta respond to a text real fast. I'll be right back.
Last time, but you keep that. Yeah, check your Facebook page in about 5 minutes.
Yes, and I'll see you. Bye, 25. Bring up.
908. I'm gonna stop plugging your ears, you stop plugging mine. 908. I'm gonna stop plugging your ears, you stop plugging mine. 908, 992. 908, 992. Cali, go on now. Brother, hello, Cali. I know all about it on this Cali.
Boy, you're trained out in the mighty country. Boy, you got WJN, you got audio. And the BYU, the king on the west side.
992 and Breadman is the same person. 908, 992 and Breadman is the same person. 908, get your fat heels a clicking. Hello to you, 908. 908. 908. I want to make that radio room get hot if you talk to me. 908. That radio room gonna get hot and your Jericho gonna get the 908 Bread West Side. Say, come on.
Man, come bigger, man. Boy, you working that big audio. I love that big audio.
I had to turn the fan back on because this is flat out warm in here. It is downright warm in this doggone room today, so there may be a fan in the background, but it's going to have to be there, and it'll just sit and stay. Radio station Motormouth Mall, your West Coast. Undermodulated beast. Got down.
We're waiting on.
Where you going? I got it all. The big man. How you catch it? Have a good day. Watch my back. I'm going to it.
God bless you. And your love one, brother.
Hey, boogeyman around Alabama, all you say is rough and tough out. You're right, it is. Woo-wee, is it ever rough and tough. But you know what? It's good that way, man. I like it. We ain't had some skip out here for a month on Sundays, and I've been jonesing. I mean, seriously, jonesing for some skip. And so I'm glad it rolled up in here. Ain't no doubt about that. Hey, boogeyman around Alabama, radio station Motormouth Mall with his great big hammer, waving, and I'm a stepping breaking.
Some of these guys need to take this radio and they got a $300 million Powerball ticket in their pocket and they already won.
766 doesn't throw dead keys. He wouldn't do that, would he? No, man. That's some other station out there doing that. 766. 766. Little three-element beam up there in the middle of the scene to say hello, Mellow Jello. A radio station, Motormouth here, West Coast Beast, working this thing in the middle of the scene I got down.
Boy, you big man in the bayou. You say I overran you 29? I overran you 29. Oh, big man, bayou country. 766 with this big man playing.
World-class audio. $2.50, man. Shoot, man, I got a dog, man. I like what you're playing on. Don't tell me what it is. Just keep it out there.
Motormouth Mall, all out there at the same doggone time. Holy smokes, that ought to be rough and tough in somebody's radio. that ought to be real doggone rough and tough in somebody's radio. With old Motormouth Mall, 766, and Breadman all up in there at the same doggone time. hammer right here, right now.
I dropped down to 8,000. She's swinging at 16,000. I'm keying 8,000. Swinging 16. Look at that. She's just sitting there rocking. 175 watt drive. Look at that. No drive. No drive. Tetro. Tetro. Tet. 2-2 train. Bye.
25. It has been a long time, man. Really good to hear you up in here. Good to hear Mother Nature coming up in here and playing this particular day and giving us a little bit of this good skip out here, this particular 1036. Ain't no doubt about that. There.
That's my radio dad. But I'm just Dr. 45. That kind of nigga is making people get called Dr. 45, man, what side? I'm gone. Bo Jackson walking alone. Bo Jackson, about you? Train? Playboy? I'm 2-7. Bye. It's been a long time since last year that I waved my hand at you. Hello, Mr. Motor. Dr. 45. I'm not running. I'm just hungry. Reverend Dr. 45. My grandma told me when I was a kid, I'm always hungry. I'm hungry, Reverend Dr. 45. I'm going to eat. Bye. Yo County, Doug William County, Bojack County, Doug William County, Lone Star. Doug William County, 766, #1 station, still 3 decades. From the East Coast to the West Coast, all in the same day. get back to you. Hello to you, number 7. Let me see if I can get it to work.
Hey, Bojack, I'm still calling.
Code 202. Hello to you, around Watergate City. The original shake is been calling you. Hello to you, around zip code 202. Watergate. See you later. Hey, number 7, but you do now. Hey, number 7, you do now. I guarantee to you. You're out by your lonesome. You got a great big maul and a whole bunch of them big boys out there. Number 7, 600.
Hey, Bojack, Doug William County.
Hey, 25, you see that hungry thing? I was the little boy out there eating that hungry. Hey, 25, do you want a doggy biscuit or something? Bread down here around the west side. I'll bring you some fish and some doggy biscuits. 25, bread gone. Bye, bye, bye. What is right by? Yardbird, excuse me.
Boy, I want to win. Hey, Bojack, I want to win. I hear a dumb player with glasses on. Oh, Bojack. I'm still playing, man.
Hey, number 7, that's what I'm doing, man. I can't wait for it to get here. I got to get some man on this guy digging in. We definitely need some man because we're going. It's been like 4 drafts already on this guy digging in. I'm just trying to see what y'all talking about. You know, because the guy digging in on my mom on the dog.
That's how I got to be the heavyweight champion. That's how I got to be the heavyweight champ. Dumb Ducker got on the ring. He got halfway up on the ring in the ropes. And I hit the Dumb Ducker in the eye while he was coming through the ropes. The Bojack, bye.
Hello to you, 25 in Georgia, Bread West Side, getting on down.
Big radio station, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast. Undermodulated beast and your host with the most. Got down.
That's a good person, man. That gotta get good people. I wouldn't stop his water. But I tell you what, I will see you in the real one. They probably but I make sure he is seeing on that car, nigga. Hey, 25, I'm getting out the way. Hello, team, man. Tell me what my mom say hello. I'm just having fun.
Hey, Bojack, I don't play foul.
Hey, 455. Tell Motormouth Mall. Tell Motormouth Mall, go back to the drawing board. Tell Motormouth Mall to go back to that drawing board. They call me Machete, Mr. Body.
Big man, swamp land, right?
He ain't pushing the limit. Ain't too big. You got it going on out here in the world of sound.
Why, you on the James Boy, Mr. 505. A big man, possibly. I will tell Bojack what's up. 505, what's up,
I can do it all day long. I can do it all day long. Hey, 455, I can do it all day long. I'm gonna get on out of here now, because I gotta roll. I gotta get on out of here. I've been out here all day. Remember, Dr. 455, put it on you later with your bad self. You might want to back the drive down a little bit. You might want to back the drive down a little bit. Reverend Dr. 455, Mr. Machete, way out west. Have a good day. All the way in. I'm the quiet number.
Yo, got down.
Boy, Bojack, you said you could hear. You said,
trying to get pumped up, and he ain't taking no business. He probably moving my maul right now. But real man, somebody done made too big up there in the cold Great Lakes mad there, because he keying down, I'm back quiet.
Can't afford it too big. Well, I'll tell you what. Tell Breadman I said hello. Tell everybody out there.
Yo, man, do I gotta go outside again? Hey, Reverend Dr. 455, do I gotta go outside again? Reverend Dr. 455, the Mr. Machete gotta go outside again. Worldwide 455, Mr. Machete, I'll see ya. Have a good day. Bring it down here.
Well, I said hello and hey. I hope all's well and swell around the west side.
Watch my back. There's a bunch of guys out here. Watch my back.
Place. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, your west coast. Beast and the voice of the Central Coast of California. Got down.
Boy, you got my back. You got my back with that Bojack technology. The key to the west side. 27. Can't keep no more. Bye.
2150. All right, then, hey, man, I'm going to back it down and get up on out of here. I'll get back with y'all later on. Bring it west side, straight out of Compton. Let's go. What in the world's going on out here? These boys out here trying to grab anything out there. Move. Well,
Can't forget it too big. Okay, sounds good. Take care, my friend. Take 7 3s. We'll catch you tablet later on. Motormouth Mall, working through the thing. Got down.